Alright guys, we out here on the river. Wind done got up. It's blowing insane out here. Pretty rough day on the water. Paddle, paddle, paddle. There's the fish all up under me. I can't even try to fish with them. If I stop, I'll be on the shoreline in 3 minutes. Steady, steady paddling. It's rough. I don't know if y'all can see the flag over there. Let's see. Get up here. There it is. Let's get steady, steady, steady wind. Rough, rough, rough on the water. I feel like I'm in the ocean. Gotta go all the way across the river. Get back. Look at the fish. All kind of fish up there. Can't even try to mess with it.